Okay, welcome to the passage analysis video for Galatians chapter 6. So under Tools, again, we're going to head over to passage analysis. Hey, look at that. Galatians chapter 6 pulls right up. So let's take a look here. Let's start with a pretty general look at the comparing pericopes. The four versions that I have up are the ESV, the Holman Christian, the NASB, and the NIV. And so here in Galatians chapter 6, you can see the three of the four have a break right after verse 10. The NAS has the chapter as a whole as one unified pericope, but again, the others have a break right there, kind of halfway through the middle. So that's helpful to see the two different perspectives or views on that text. What I don't understand is like how to get different versions up here. I haven't been able to find that anywhere. So these are my only options. I'd love to include, a couple of the other ones. So. But you can, what's there, I'm able to see as well. So here you go. The next two that I clicked have even more breaks in that chapter. Head down here to the Version River. I love all these names, but obviously the word tree, the Morph River, which I don't know a ton about. That looks cool. Cluster graph and the Version River. But in the Version River, again for Galatians chapter 6, you can see right here in verse 4 there's a lot of divergence, maybe towards the end of the chapter. Here in verse 17 there's 17 and 18 have probably the closest throughout the whole chapter. I guess what I don't understand as far as the graph, how it goes, is how it's laid out. Like, I don't know if there's a base in the middle. Like, why can't this blue, can it go any further down? I mean, at a quick glance, it's really helpful, especially if we were to, maybe just look at the entire book of Galatians. Sorry, I was getting a phone call there. So yeah, if you look at the entire book of Galatians, that might be a little bit more helpful to see a bigger picture. But as far as Galatians chapter 6 goes, that's what we're looking at. So what I do like, though, is the text comparison tool that we looked at in the previous video, and that helps you actually see, based on a baseline text, where the other versions tend to, have differences. So there you go, the passage analysis tool for Galatians chapter 6. We took a quick look at the Version River here, which is helpful for quick glances, in my opinion, and the compare pericopes. I do like how it breaks it down. You can quickly see how those spread out across the different texts.